My neighbor has this stretched ruckus, and I think it's probably the coolest thing ever. Hands on here. We're here with Ayla and Seth. This is their 2023 Bronco. Well, it's really Ayla's, but we are installing some Mishimoto catch cans on this thing. We got the dual catch cans. I just took the bracket out. Oh, goodness. This bracket goes back there, and it's gonna hold them up in the back of the engine bay. It's gonna look pretty sick. I'm excited about it. We also are putting a 52-inch light bar on this thing up there. Headlights are bright enough, but Ayla said she needs to flash people, so that's what we're doing. And yeah, I already started. I got both of the factory CCV and PCV hoses off. These suck. These, you know, one-time use, have to break off things. That's what I think about that. So I'm gonna start putting all the new stuff on, and Ayla is gonna have no more oil in her intake.
We're gonna gain at least 10 horsepower.
I say 15, but so yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into it. Pretty excited about this one. I bought these for her for Christmas, and she neglected putting them on, so here I am.
You were supposed to do both, actually.
Well, I said that I would help.
Wedding gift, Christmas gift, birthday gift, all three didn't happen.
Well,
but we're doing it now, so.
Guess I'm a bad brother or something. What was that? I feel like that was my neighbor on his ruckus. My neighbor has this stretched ruckus, and I think it's probably the coolest thing ever. It's like a Chinese version of it. I don't know. I want to go check it out, though. We got freaking lube and crescent wrench. There's no rags in there anymore. I don't know. Oh, rags are on the side of the box. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. Always lube your O-rings. I like this assembly goo stuff. It's for like everything. I use it for everything. I don't know. Just always lube up your stuff, especially when it has to do with oil and things. This stuff can get in your oil system and in your cooling system and like everywhere, and it just dissolves. So in we go. Should I say out?
What's that for?
This is to keep Ayla's metal super clean and nice while getting it really tight. Look at that. Ain't a scratch on that bee. Like it was installed from the factory. Not a drop. Not a scratch. Bam! No, I'm just kidding. See? Ayla almost dropped her camera while watching that. Oh, that's the wrong way, bro.
Bro, did you just cross-cut it?
Super tight. Okay, check this out too. This is the import. It would come down, it would drip onto this grate. This is where it would separate the water and the oil, and then it would separate by the time that it falls down in there. And then on the out port, it comes up back through this grate again, stopping all the oil and water coming through. And then it gets in that little filter right there, a little sponge style filter, and then comes out the out port completely clean with no oil in it, so that your intake is getting the cleanest air possible without dumping it straight on the ground. I don't know who would do that, but I think that guy in that white truck does.
I think your truck is smoking. You need to turn it off. You need to turn it off.
What just happened?
Oh shit.
Oh shit. It died. What the f? I think it's fucked up. Oh Lord. My wife's gonna kill me. Son of a bitch. Oh man. I gotta go get me a Chevy. We got rid of these stupid CCV and PCV hoses. Out of here. Done. Gone. We got these fancy Mishimoto catch cans on here. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I think I might have put the wrong ones on the wrong side, but it doesn't really matter that much. So they're not that much different in size. But anyways, we got the in. Goes in, filters all the oil, leaves it trapped in the can, comes back out clean into the intake. Same thing on this side, but it's a crankcase vent, not a PCV, positive crankcase vent. But anyways, we are switching gears to this sick ass 52-inch Lightbar. This one's gonna go on this side. I'll show you guys what this bracket's gonna look like here. It's gonna go something like that on this guy. I think it's gonna be pretty freaking sick. Then we got some light pods to mount right here as well. This Bronco's getting some huge upgrades. Reliable, and it's lit up. Let's freaking get into it. Ayla, what'd you do with these bolts?
It never came with them.
Are you fucking kidding me? That's bullshit. It came with them. I know it did.
It was a fucking Christmas gift. Okay.
I don't know. I don't buy that story, guys. What do you think? Anyways, we're gonna go get some bolts, and we'll be right back.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Can't do that.
Says here, bro.
I guess we're stuck. We're gonna figure out where this is.
Ain't no way.
I don't even know what I grabbed. I grabbed 8mm, 1.25 inch.
How many horsepower do we gain from this?
V6. And you're like, it's like putting a wing on your car. Redneck wing, that's all they are.
This is the official way to do it.
North 40 sponsorship?
But we should at this point. Jeez. We're back from the parts store. As you can see, we brought the whole light bar. You know, that's just how we roll. But anyways, we're gonna get this bad boy installed. We got all sorts of bolts and stuff. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna get the ladder back out here. Says Ayla's Bronco is like 17 feet tall, stock. Damn Sasquatch edition. I don't even know what the hell is even that, guys. I don't know. These things are pretty cool though. You remember when we did the trail turnaround mode on the test drive? Dude, that's pretty cool. This thing spins donuts like on like an X-axis pretty much in 4-wheel drive. So, I don't know. I don't think your car has that mode. Just saying.
Ford, not a sponsor.
Yeah, not sponsored by Ford. Get it out of here. F***ing logo's bigger than my arm. Can't even hide it.
If you're thinking about it,
Look
Ford,
at that. And then they put the tiniest little one on the back. I don't know. At least they let everybody know that it's a platinum. I spent so much money on my truck. Oh.
Short guy problems.
Yeah. Yeah. Excuse me for not being 7 feet tall. Oh yeah, look at that.
Accessory ready.
Yep. Not sponsored by Ford. But that's pretty cool.
But maybe.
But maybe. Do you want to put me on the race team? I mean, I do drive a Camaro, but I'd switch to a Mustang.
Ooh.
What happened?
You said you would switch to a Mustang. That's what happened.
Well, I mean, I wouldn't get rid of the car, but I would get a Mustang.
Oh, and the real colors come out.
I do like them. I won't lie.
Depends on the year.
Now, I'd even get a new Edge Mustang, but only to drift it and like smack it against walls and stuff.
Maybe run over a few crowds.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Me and Ayla installing this light bar. It is time. Uh-oh. No, that's the wrong spot, Ayla. I know. Hold on. Let me try to get a thread. And then you could try to get a thread. Is it too far? Yeah. Okay. Well, looks like some modification is in our future. Hold it like at your head height. Would you kind of see if it's a little like RM50? That's cool.
Alright, Seth, does that look a little bit? Yeah, we're just bending the middle.
Yeah, that's not. That's bad.
Mine doesn't look bad. I don't think.
Somehow, Jayson.
I bent mine way too far though.
Yeah, you bent yours too far, but Ayla's is where the metal is cut is starting to bend there.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, stop.
I know. And I held mine and you didn't even hold yours. Oh, you did it like that.
See, that's your problem right there.
I did it differently than you.
It's because you did it wrongly.
That's what they teach you at Ford school.
Perfect.
Is that pretty
Oh,
good?
on the money.
Second time's the charm.
Put my hand there. Okay.
Ooh.
Where are you at? Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect.
Yeah, I'm like perfect.
I'm perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Well,
let's get our
let's get our bolts back.
measure once, do it twice. That's the way to go. Don't tell me you lost yours.
Well, I handed it to somebody.
You put it on there, so I wouldn't lose it.
It's right here.
Oh, I handed it to somebody. The Bronco?
Yeah. I don't know, guys. I like magnet trays. I'm not used to this.
Jayson?
In the driveway bull crap. What is that?
The washers we were missing?
Oh.
Somebody
See,
needs to-
I'm used to magnet trays. Everything gets put in one spot normally.
You can't even tell that we bent the brackets.
That's good. Oh yeah, that looks way better. For sure.
Just auto solders for you. Damn.
Yeah, there's like 0 time wasting. And you just put a big enough ball on to get the whole thing. Heat it up, make sure it goes through everywhere. You get a perfect solder every time. Some people might say that's too much, I don't care. I don't. It's a good joint.
There's a right way and there's a wrong way, but we're doing our way.
Look at that. It's not coming apart.
Some people would say we're also routing the wiring wrong. Well,
You know what I say to those people? Have you ever routed wiring before?
if you do, like and leave a comment. Let us know what we're doing wrong.
Alright. Time for the torchy action. If you look in here, we ran the wiring down by the windshield. We've got it soldered and heat shrinked, and it runs down into here and then jumps out of the fender. And we got a power wire and we got a ground wire. So we're gonna get those hooked up, and then this guy will be on a switch. Pretty exciting stuff. What do you think, Ayla?
I think it looks pretty damn professional.
Oh yeah. We got Ayla's vehicle all finished up here. What do you think about the light bar, Ayla?
I think it looks damn good.
I think it looks pretty good myself. So we got Ayla some Mishimoto catch cans in there. They're looking pretty sweet. Then we got Ayla this fancy 52-inch light bar. The wiring runs down the windshield in there. It's all soldered and nice. And if you come in here, well, I'll show you this first. Is it on?
Gotta turn the. Yep.
Yep, so if you come in here, it's on the factory auxiliary switches. It's number 1. That thing's pretty bright, even in the daytime. So that's pretty exciting. We got Ayla all sorts of hooked up today. I'm sure she's pretty excited about all that business.
Oh yeah. Only for off-road purposes, guys.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We got Ayla's light bar and her catch cans installed. Ayla's happy, right?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we got everything installed for her, and we are going to, well, we're going to go test this thing out here in the next little bit. We're going to have Ayla send me in some footage of this thing blinding all the deer and all the moose off-road, you know, because off-road purposes only, you know, wink wink. Yeah, that concludes today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.